Do you like to eat hot oatmeal? So, this is a question we're going to learn, and I'm going to go over some basics and tell you if Arabic is a hard language or easy language to learn. So, to ask this basic question, I like to eat hot oatmeal. There are a couple of things you actually have to learn in order to say this sentence. So, some people say, I just want to speak the language. I don't want to learn any of the basics. This is way too much overwhelming and it's just too much. However, if you learn these basics, they're going to help you way too much just to say basic sentences like this. And then once you learn them, you can practice and things are going to get easier. Otherwise, you're going to really, really, really overwhelm yourself. So I'm going to go over this basic sentence. I like to eat hot meal and tell you what things you need to know in order to say this sentence. Just a reminder, I teach one-on-one. My email address is alaa.arabictutor@gmail.com, and also I have Etsy shop. It's named Ara Lola. Everything is in my description. Um, Feel free to visit my shop. It has a lot of nice, cool things, and it's all in Arabic. Okay, anyway, let's go over the sentence. I like to eat hot meal. First, I'm gonna say it in Arabic. بحب آكل oatmeal سخن. بحب آكل oatmeal سخن. So now in order to say the sentence, you have to know first present tense, second future tense, third adjectives. Now you need to learn present tense because there are about 8 different forms for present tense. It's different for I, we, you male, you female, you plural, he, she, they. It's slightly different. The verb is slightly different whether it's a future, present tense, past tense. It's slightly different for each pronoun. So first you need to know this. Now, the future, there's a small rule you also have to learn in order to use the future tense in the sentence because you need it. And it's also for the pronoun. Then you need to know adjectives, how we use them. So, for example, when we say hot oatmeal, we do not say hot oatmeal in Arabic, we say oatmeal hot. The second rule is you need to know the gender. So everything in Arabic is either masculine or feminine. So you have to learn this, and then when you use the adjective, you need to make the adjective either masculine or feminine, depends on the noun. So if the noun is masculine, the adjective is going to be masculine. So you start with a noun, then adjective, and if the noun is masculine, the adjective is going to be masculine. If the noun is feminine, the adjective is going to be feminine. Now I'm going to say a few, the same sentence in a few different forms so you can hear the difference. So if I'm talking about myself, again, I like to eat hot oatmeal. بحب آكل oatmeal سخن. Now you female like to eat hot oatmeal. بتحبي تاكلي oatmeal سخن. She likes to eat hot oatmeal. بتحب تاكل oatmeal سخن. You plural like to eat hot oatmeal. بتحبوا تاكلوا oatmeal سخن. This is not hard. Trust me, this is not hard at all. It's easy. You just have to learn the basics, and if you do not learn the basics, you're going to overwhelm yourself and you're going to hate the language, and that's not the goal. So if you learn it the right way, it's going to be super easy, and I hope this helps. If I'm trying to make a lot of podcasts, but I don't have a lot of ideas for what you actually want to learn. So if you send me an email, tell me what you want me to go over. I would love that, and I would definitely go over it. So just give me ideas, tell me what you want to learn. I'll be more than happy to do it. Hope you have a wonderful day, and thank you for listening.